In this free video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unsubscribe to email list. If you found this video useful, consider subscribing to the channel. I'm on Gmail, or this is a Google Mail at the moment, and basically I have a couple emails here that I want to unsubscribe to the email list. Click on the email that you would like to unsubscribe. Okay, so notice that this is a longer email that has an image, has some text. And if I scroll down, it also has other stuff. Now, if I scroll up, we have an option that says unsubscribe. And if I also scroll down to the email, we can see that there is an option to unsubscribe as well. Now, I'm going to scroll back up and then I'm going to click unsubscribe. And then you will be given a message or a prompt, a warning saying, do you want to stop getting messages from this person's email? And you have two options, to cancel or click unsubscribe. And then boom, it says you unsubscribe from this email. Can even move this email to spam. Check out the playlist for more videos like that. Consider subscribing to the channel if you found value.